Hey everyone, so I want to send a thank you to Junoda for sending me their glueless water wave wig in 22 inches for my personal review. I'm going to be doing an unboxing and give you guys a first impression, so let's get started. So it comes in a little baggie like this. It's neat to keep everything in. I'm going to show you everything that was in here. I got a little Halloween gift because it was around Halloween time. Some lashes, a little book with some tips, a little edge brush, a little strap for your edges, a wig cap, and a little hair accessory. I love how the details are printed on the bag, so when I go back to wear this, I know exactly what it is. Alright, so straight out of the package, this is what the wig looks like. This is how the inside looks right here. It does have two combs at the side, a comb at the back. It has a non-slip silicone strip. It has a removable elastic band, and the middle is also constructed where it's a breathable wig cap. Alright, so this is also advertised as pre-bleached knots, pre-cut invisible lace, and pre-plucked hairline, but I am going to make a few modifications as you'll see later in the video. Before I begin, I'm just going to quickly show you the process of how I wash this wig. Now that I'm done washing the wig, I'm just going to put it on my little mannequin stand to drip dry overnight. Alright, so this is the next day. The wig is completely dry. It's clean. This is what it looks like up close. I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like with a wig cap on and why I'm going to actually take the wig cap off. So while I'm putting it on, as you can see, there's going to be a clear line of demarcation. Like you can definitely see, like the wig cap is definitely too bright. Now, if you're light skinned or light complected, this will probably work. But by me being dark skinned, I have to make a few modifications here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm not going to wear the wig cap. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like without the wig cap on. This is up close without the wig cap on. As you can see, you can still kind of see the lace because my skin tone is a different skin tone from the lace. So I'm actually going to be cutting the very ends of the lace off. This is what it looks like up close with the lace removed. To me, I really do like it better this way. I'm going to put it on now to show you what it looks like. Alright, so now I'm actually going to make one more adjustment. I'm going to use some lace tint just to give it a more darker brown color since I am more of a darker brown skin complexion. Alright, so now that I have cut the lace a little more and applied some lace tint spray, to me, I feel like it looks a little better on me personally. You can also add like some baby hairs around the edges. I actually decided not to do the baby hairs, but I'm just showing you that this is glueless. You can lift it up. Here's a little comb showing you that it's not glued down. I'm a very simple girl. I like to like simple wigs that I can put on and go, or that there's minimal work that I have to do with it. But all in all, I feel like it turned out really nice. I can definitely just put this on and go. And yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. I'll be sure to leave some links and some details and everything like that. I decided to actually pull this back off of my face because I prefer it like just off of my face. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comment box. If you have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.